Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I had made a purchase. What I bought was, I bought this. Hang on. There you go. I bought this. It's a Garmin GPS mount, and it's compatible with the Garmin Smart Drive 65 with Alexia. Ooh, wow. So yeah, I purchased that GPS, and I said, you know, I'm gonna need a mount, and this is the mount that I bought, and it's the real Garmin one. You see the logo, Garmin. All right. So I liked it so much, I decided to make a big purchase, and for that I got a pretty good discount. So what I did was I bought this. So as I open it up, whoa, I bought one, oh, and I bought two, three, four, it's like Christmas, five, six, seven. So there they are, right there, all 7 of them. Wow. So now what I'm going to do with my 7 GPS mounts is I'm going to sell them for you. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these Garmin GPS mounts, like so, that's what it looks like. And it's the real Garmin. I saw these on, I saw someone on eBay selling them, and I noticed that they don't have the Garmin, well, wait a second, where is it? Oh, it's here. They don't have the Garmin logo. Where is it? There it is. See, you gotta watch out for that, because you got these people out in China selling these damn things, and they're not even Garmin. They look like Garmin, they look exactly like this, but they don't have this Garmin logo. All right, so it's on sale. I'm selling these GPS Friction Mounts on KGG, eBay, Craigslist, maybe Amazon. Maybe I'll sell it on Amazon. I don't know. We'll see how. They're funny Amazon people. They are. All right, so these are currently available. So check it out. It's available. Anyway, so that's it for now. Please like, subscribe, and oh, here, I'll show you a little something. Look, check this out. Oh, hang on, you have to unlock it. Push the button, and this piece comes out. All right, that piece comes out. And there's a locking mechanism right there, which you have to press down, and then you insert this. So watch, as I press down, insert it, it locks into place, voila. And then there's a switch over here. Can you see? And it's right now it's not locked, so you can turn it in any direction you want. And then once you once you find the position that you want, you just slide this button here and lock it, like so. And now it's locked, and it's not gonna move anywhere. So yeah, it's like a bean bag, and it's got it's got these 4 things on it, these things, and there's metal in there, and that's why it's so heavy. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I got a bunch of them, and hey, do you know Walmart is selling these things for $75? Check it out, walmart.ca, and here's the code well, not the Walmart code, but you're gonna look for this. All right, you'll look for that. Maybe you can scan this, I don't know, and you'll see the model number and everything right there. All right, so yeah, Walmart selling these things for $75. I'm not selling these for $75 because I love you. All right, and I want you to have something good. So that's it for now. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And thanks for watching. For now, where are we? We are December the 5th. Ooh. So season greetings to each and every one of you. Take care. Bye.